Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Greninja, another Pokemon. So let's start by drawing his center fin on the top of his head. Draw the top part of the fin, and then it's going to change in angle down to the center of the face. Alright, so let's draw the base of this fin, just kind of give an indication of the line that forms the base, and we'll finish that off in a little bit. Just draw a quick line here to show the edge of the center fin. So now we're going to draw a curve that goes out this way, which will be the top of his eyelid. So just a curve that goes up, and then from here we're going to draw a straight line from here up to here, just a straight line to form the side fins. So from here we're going to go out quite a bit, right there, and then here's the tip of the fin. We're going to bring it back to right about here. Again, a straight line. Alright, so from here we're going to draw the eye, and we'll just draw a half circle here, half oval, but it'll actually continue past that line. I'll consider this the upper eyelid. And so right under here then will be the iris, and then the white pupil. Alright, so there's a triangular section just on the inner side of the eye. So let's just form that right now. And from here we've got this web that connects the center fin to the side fin. So let's just draw a line up to here, and then a short line down, and then a curved line going back here. Okay, so now that we have this webbing in place, we can finish the base of the center fin like that. Alright, so on the other side now, we'll continue this line out to the side and then go back down to the center here, just like this line. So down and to the center. So now we can see this triangular part on this side, on the other side. We're not going to see the tip of this triangle because it's going to be hidden behind this center fin. And now we can form the other side fin. So here's the top of that triangle. It'll be right about here. So let's just draw a slightly curved line, just like that, and then a straight line going out, and then back down. And we've got this webbing as well that connects this, just like here. So from here we'll go out, down to the top of the head. So now he's got this tongue that goes underneath here and actually kind of wraps around his head. So from here we're going to just go around underneath the eye and meet up with this line right here. So let's just start from here, curve across. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add another line right here that goes to the side fin, and then finally one other line that goes around this way that forms the outer line of the tongue. And we're going to continue this around the head. Alright, where I made a mistake here, I'm just going to continue this line around just to show that it kind of folds a little bit. Alright, so the tongue then goes around this way, and we'll just go ahead and continue this line out like that. And out, way out here, and we'll make it thicker at the end and back to meet this line here behind the side fin. Add a little highlight for the tongue. So underneath here is the rest of his face. So from here we're gonna go down and bump it out a little bit here and up. So here we've got a color separation, so we'll go up and back down and then back up to meet this line. So there's a little bit of fold here in his face. Let's add that. So then right here will be the upper left leg, and we'll just draw a big oval right here. So right about here. Just a big oval. And then at the elbow and at the knee, he's got this protective white feature. So I'll just draw a circle here. And then he's got this star-shaped design on the thigh. And we'll only see part of it, so that's why I drew it this way. Alright, so this line then continues behind the leg and back up to the tongue. And then the side of the body and kind of like a tail that's behind all of these body parts. Alright, so let's finish off this left leg by going out, kind of tapering the lower leg a bit. And then let's draw the toes. So the back legs have 2 toes, so let's just separate this a bit and draw an oval for the toes, kind of suction cup like things. Another oval over here, and then it goes to the back of the foot to a point, and he's got a web between the toes, so let's draw a line between them just like that. Let's draw the right front leg now. He's going to be in a tripod position, so right here let's just draw a couple lines first going down, and then right here that protective oval for the elbow goes right there, and then the lower arm go down a little bit, and then the forearm goes to the wrist. And like I said, the back legs have 2 toes, the front have 3. So here let's just flare it out and curve to the second toe, back to the third toe, and just like the other side, we'll draw 3 ovals and one last oval right here, and the webbing between. Alright, so now we're going to draw the other leg going forward, so it's going to go out, and let's go ahead and form that protective cap. And then the bottom of the thigh comes up, and then the lower leg will then go underneath here like that. So then under here then will be the foot, so go down, and then here's the ankle, go out, and between them then is this curve to separate the 2 toes, and draw our oval toes here, and you'll kind of see the other side right there, and of course the web in between. Alright, so let's draw the left arm or left front leg. Draw the upper arm first, kind of tapering, and then back here will be that protective cap, and go into the forearm, narrowing down to the wrist, and then 3 toes or fingers. Here we'll go ahead and draw the ovals lengthwise. Okay, that's 1, 2, and the oval, and 3. And of course we've got the webbing in between. And I'm gonna finalize this a bit and vary the line thicknesses as always. So that's pretty much it. So that's Greninja, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.